In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to Invoice in QuickBooks Online. Before we jump in, make sure you have your logo file ready on your computer. A high-resolution PNG or JPG with a transparent or clean background works best. If your logo has a lot of empty space around it, consider trimming that in an image editor beforehand so it sits neatly on your invoice. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and landing on your main dashboard. From here, open the Settings menu. You'll find it by clicking the small gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is where QuickBooks keeps the tools for customizing how your forms look. In the menu that appears, choose Custom Form Styles. This page controls how your sales forms, including invoices, appear to your customers. Next, select New Style to create a fresh template so you can add your logo without changing any existing designs you might already be using. When prompted to pick a form type, choose Invoice. QuickBooks will open the Invoice Style Editor with a live preview on the right and customization options on the left. Look for the option that says Add Your Unique Logo. This is the area dedicated to branding your invoice. Click into that logo section, then select the plus icon. You can either drag and drop your logo file right onto that spot or click to browse your computer and upload it. Once you select your file, QuickBooks will process it and place your logo in the header of the invoice preview so you can immediately see how it looks with your company details. If the logo looks a bit soft, try uploading a slightly larger image so it displays crisply. If it appears too dominant or too subtle, consider adjusting the image outside of QuickBooks to tweak its size or contrast, then upload again. Aim for a version that's clear, easy to read, and balanced with the rest of your invoice content. A few quick tips as you refine the look. Make sure your logo colors have enough contrast against the invoice's background. Avoid extremely thin text or intricate details that may become hard to see, and keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly for your customers. Also, use the preview to check alignment with your business name and address to ensure your branding feels professional and consistent. That's it. You've added your logo to a new invoice style in QuickBooks Online, and your invoices will now reflect your brand every time you use this template. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you set up your own.